Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily English 10. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a great topic. We are talking about our daily routine.
That's right. A daily routine is what you do every day. So let's talk about it.
So, Alex, let's start with the morning. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. My alarm clock rings and I wake up.
7 o'clock. Okay, and do you get up right away?
Yes, I get up. I don't like to stay in bed. Then I go to the kitchen and I make coffee.
Coffee is very important.
Yes, it helps me wake up. After coffee, I have a shower and I get dressed.
Right.
Then I have breakfast. I usually eat toast and an egg for breakfast. What about you, Elma? What is your morning routine?
My morning routine is similar. I wake up a little earlier at 6:30.
Oh, okay. That's early.
I like the quiet morning. I also have a shower and get dressed. For breakfast, I like to eat yogurt and fruit.
That sounds healthy and delicious.
After I finish my breakfast, I check my emails and get ready for the day. I usually take the bus to work, which gives me some time to read the news. It is. After breakfast, I brush my teeth and then I go to work.
So let's talk about the daytime. What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock. I work in an office. I work for 8 hours every day.
Okay, so you finish work at 5 o'clock?
Exactly. I finish work at 5. I usually have lunch at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I eat a sandwich or a salad for lunch.
Right, a lunch break. What about you? Do you work or study?
Oh, I was going to ask you.
Well, I am a student, so I go to the university. My classes start at 10 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, so you start your day a bit later?
Yes, I have classes in the morning and in the afternoon. I have lunch at the university cafe around 1:30. I usually finish my classes at 4 o'clock.
So, what do you do in the evening after you finish your classes?
In the evening, I go home. First, I relax for a little bit. I listen to music.
That's nice.
Then I study for 1 or 2 hours. After that, I cook dinner. I enjoy cooking.
Me too. What do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I often watch TV or read a book. It helps me relax before bed. What is your evening routine, Emma?
Well, after I finish work at 5, I go home.
Mm-hmm.
I usually go to the gym for an hour. I like to exercise.
Oh, that's great. Very healthy.
It helps me feel good. Then I come home, have a shower, and I cook dinner. My evening is quiet. I watch a movie or call a friend.
And finally, bedtime. What time do you go to bed, Emma?
I try to go to bed early. I usually go to bed at 10:30. Before I go to sleep, I read for about 20 minutes.
That's a very good habit.
Yes, and you, Alex? What time do you go to sleep?
I usually go to bed around 11 o'clock or 11:30. I check my messages and then I go to sleep.
So that is our daily routine. We wake up, we eat breakfast, we work or study.
Right. Then we have lunch, we finish work, we have dinner, and we go to bed. It's the cycle of the day.
It is. And for everyone listening, we have a challenge for you.
Yes, try to describe your daily routine. You can say, I wake up at, I have breakfast at, I go to work at.
Practice talking about your morning, your afternoon, and your evening. Using these phrases is great practice.
It is. Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Daily English 10.
We will see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.